Hi, this is Awesome Kevin 05, and yeah, I got a fidget spinner. Fidget spinner get instead of achievement get on the Xbox One, and God, my eyes are tired. I got an achievement on a I got an achievement on Minecraft Xbox One Edition, Iron Man. For some reason, I haven't worn a full set of iron armor on my Xbox account, which is pretty weird. I'm gonna be blinking a lot, blinking. And yeah, I'm gonna finally be uploading to my other channel. It's just a 5 signs that your cat loves you vid. And yeah, I'm gonna be also editing my channels. Sucks. Okay, I was just remembering something from a movie that I watched. Yeah. I still haven't made that welcome to the channel video. I really should. Yeah. Yeah, my mom will probably be texting me about I don't know when, but she'll be texting me. I wish I could show you my fidget spinner, but I just don't want to. Actually, who doesn't go through a parking lot? Parking lot. Parking lot. So yeah, I spent the last few minutes on Xbox playing a what's it called? It's something on Xbox. It's called Glide. Yeah, it's really fun if you get the hang of it. So yeah, pulling out on 20th. I wish I had ibuprofen with me. Because by golly, I need some. You see what I mean by need some? I have a scratchy throat, and I'm yelling at the top of my lungs because there's cars and well, it isn't scratchy, it's itchy. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna be uploading to my other channel, Kevin Vlogs, which really isn't a vlogging channel. It's a cat vlog channel, I guess. It's like a vlogging channel, but it's centered around my cats. So yeah. Yeah, there's also a sign if I'm like walking home or walking to the library, I'm gonna be wearing a backpack. Actually, I don't know. Nobody knows. Like, knows. So yeah, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be watching some YouTube videos. And I haven't played on Roblox in a while, which I really should. I might not make a video on Roblox, but I mean, there's nothing to do. There is nothing to do. Well, except for Retail Tycoon. Which I should really expand my store on, but I don't want to be a waste of my money just so that I can get an expansion going. It smells like manure or horse poop or horse poop. Woo. Don't really have much to talk about it, except for the awesomeness of having a spinner. I mean, if you're like grounded from like electronics and you have nothing to do, then just get out the fidget spinner. It entertained me for about an hour. I mean, seeing that I have a cat, it entertained him. Because I'd like spin it on the table and he tried to like stop it and then spin it again. He's a weirdo. So yeah, the 5 signs that your cat loves you is like a minute long. So yeah, I won't be uploading it to my main channel. I'll be uploading it to my other Chanel. I mean, my voice is cracking, but it isn't going lower. Well, I don't know what's going on with my voice. I mean, like when I'm scared, or when I'm like surprised, my voice just goes like 14 octaves higher. Like, yeah! Way back before the Egyptian era, every single cat was a outside cat. Low battery. That always happens. At least I brought a charger with me. Or did I? Egg. Ugh. Hopefully I won't drop my phone. Ah! Wee. Now remember when I did drop my phone? Okay, yep, charger and my glasses. Okay. Egg. Okay. I'm back. Everything is okay. Everything is secure, and I'm on my way to the library. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-bum. Puppy. least tried to create another account, but it kind of failed. Yeah, and then I had to wait a week because I created the account on good God, on a Sunday, and I couldn't go back until a Saturday. I have nothing else to say. Other than I'm gonna go straight. There's teen baseball going on. Whoa. Yeah, all I did was just take a load of pennies out. I didn't really want to count them. So yeah, who knows what I'm gonna get. All I'm gonna do is just shove some quarters into a machine and then press a button. And then press what I like. I could have grabbed like tons of money. So I could have so I could have a proper lunch. I wish everything was like a lot cheaper. They're probably gonna like change the prices on everything. No, and I'll probably get like tons of like food because they changed the prices. Ew. Weird. I'll just let that roll in there. You see a lot of those lately. Oh yeah. I have tons of shortcuts that I take every day. Well, there's only 2, believe it or not. I just take them to take them, you know? I don't want to get poked. Wonder if there's anything in the discussion section. Jeez. I just like cough and then 14 octaves higher. Jeez. That was not me. Jeez. That just wasn't me. Do you believe me? That's a sign that somebody is lying. Do you believe me? Good God. I can't wait until the summer because I'll be like uploading like every single day. Like. Well, not every day, because I'm gonna be going to summer camp, which, yeah, I have to discuss a plan. Like right before it happens, I'm gonna be like, "Hey guys, I'm going to summer camp, so this is where I'll be," and yeah. Yeah. Ow. Ugh. Yeah, remember Hi or something? Not the story of a high. It's a video that I deleted. It's like some along the lines of script. No, I still have that. Yeah, there's a video that I've been meaning to delete the whole time. But I don't want to delete it because it's my first video. The vid something. And then like right after that I realized that I could name it. I have no idea what's wrong. What's wrong with my body? Waddy. Daddy. Daddy. Yeah, you never know what's gonna happen. Yeah, like I might set a description to warning. You never, yeah, like an automatic description to be like warning. You never know what's gonna happen in this vid. So please stay tuned for randomness or something, because you never know what's gonna happen in a video. I might talk about one thing, or I might talk about another. That's depending on how my pass has been going. There's more than 5 times that a cat loves you. Like, a bite. A bite. Yeah. I remember getting one. I've gotten a lot of bites. I've gotten a lot of bites. I wonder how Cole and Marmalade are doing. Well, I know that Cole beat cancer a few years ago or something. And I'm talking, I must be talking gibberish or something. You know, I might get meme creator, and then like create a shooting stars meme, just like, yeah, of me like failing and tripping or something. Or maybe it could be of me dropping my phone. I'll have to look through my YouTube videos. Okay, almost to real life grass. And wait for it. Wait. You missed. Wait for it. Wait for it. And then, out of nowhere, came a hammerhead mule riding a hammerhead whale. That must have been tough for the whale. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this 20-minute video. Well, almost 20-minute video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye.